I've been with Poet for 25 years now, and now I've become manager of materials team. So I got 4 guys that operate the machine every day. So this is dried distiller's grain. It gets to about 11% moisture, and this is fed to cows, pigs, turkeys, chickens. We had a new Holland that had a bucket on it that was a roll-off bucket. I like this better. I do like the control of it. You don't make as much mess out in the alleys when we are loading outside. But the roll-off bucket, the problem we had with that too was there was a pin on the bottom, that roll-off pin. We would always have to re-weld that. The maintenance guys were getting sick of it. So it has improved. If you got low ceilings, whatever, you can see the structure up here where we do have trucks back up here. You don't have to have that bucket roll up high and hit that structure. So the bucket actually sits right on top where the top part of the truck is and pushes into the truck, which helps out a lot as far as height, safety wise. That way, control is a lot better too. If you're in a position like us and you had a roll off, switch to this bucket. It'll help you out.